discovering the truth behind common animal myths can be fascinating. From bats to camels, many misconceptions exist about these creatures. Let's delve into 5 popular beliefs and uncover the reality behind them. Before we start, please subscribe my channel first. 1. The blind bat. Bats are commonly associated with poor vision, hence the phrase, blind as a bat. However, this notion is inaccurate. Bats actually possess decent night vision, although they lack color vision. They primarily rely on echolocation to navigate and hunt in dark environments. Echolocation serves as a supplement to their vision, aiding them in catching prey. 2. The smiling dog. Some dog owners believe their pets smile to express happiness, akin to humans. While it's hard to refute personal experiences, there's no concrete evidence supporting the idea that dogs smile in the same way humans do. 3. The naturally aggressive pit bull. Pit bulls have gained a negative reputation as aggressive and dangerous dogs, leading to bans in certain areas. Blanket bans may overlook the fact that many pit bulls are not bred for violence and can make excellent companions. 4. The wise owl. Owls are often depicted as wise creatures, a notion reinforced throughout history and popular media. However, contrary to this belief, owls are not exceptionally intelligent compared to other birds. Their large brains are primarily geared towards processing sensory data for effective night hunting. 5. The camel with his own water tower. A common myth suggests that camels store water in their humps to survive in the desert. In reality, camels' humps store fat, serving as a source of emergency food. Camels survive in arid environments by minimizing water loss through concentrated urine, reducing moisture loss in breath and sweat, and obtaining water from the plant